So here's the app called YOGAIA, daily yoga and workout, fitness, Pilates, flexibility. Feel your best with YOGAIA. Join a community that has practiced 271 million hours over 10 plus years. Build your routine with 3,000 plus live and on-demand classes. Start today. Transform your well-being with YOGAIA. So that's like a weird name, but here you have it. 53,000 plus classes broadcast and more than 271 million hours. So yeah, a lot of different classes: barre, Pilates, healthy back, neck and shoulders. Yeah, so that's the idea. Then you can just open it up. And then just start free trial. You can then just go and sign up as you want. And then you have some offers. You have some other memberships. You have in here 7-day free trial, monthly, all of the details. And then, yeah, so then you just have it here. Live classes. But then you need to become a member. So a lot of live classes in here, a lot of recordings. You can just easily do it from, from your home. It's quite nice. And then, yeah, you can just discover it. Yeah, quite nice. So you have some start classes, and yeah, here it is. The cool thing that, yeah, you just have these live streams, which is much better than just recordings. Yeah, you just have live stream, and then you can just do it together. You don't need to go to the gym and stuff like that. Just, do it from home. Kind of cool app.